Hi, and welcome to Dial My Calls. In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to set up your very first call broadcast using Dial My Calls. The first time can be a little bit confusing, but once you get it, it's very easy to use. So this is what you should see when you're logged in. First thing you need to do is add contacts, then we're going to record a message, and then we just set up the broadcast. So first things first, we're going to add contacts. You can either click here or on the toolbar up here. This is the contacts page. This is where you can store all the people that you're going to send your messages to. You can create groups, put them into groups. It's really easy to use. This is where you create groups, and you can put different groups, so you could do whatever you want right here. And you'll see it creates different groups that you can put your contacts into. So what you're going to do next is add some people in here. So these are the three different ways you can add people. You can do it individually, where you type in their first name, last name, phone number, email address. The only thing we need is the phone number. First name and last name is just for your information. Email address is if you want to actually send the message to them via email. Miscellaneous is if you want to put like a unit number or some other way to distinguish who these people are. Right here you can upload your contacts. You can either upload from an Excel or a CSV file, or here you can just copy and paste a bunch of numbers in. We're going to go ahead and do this just because it's the quickest. All you need to do is enter 10 digits in. You can do it in any phone number format you want, so you can do it like this, or you could even just do it like this. And you'll see the contacts have been added right here. Next, we're going to go to the recordings page. We're going to create a recording. These are the different ways you can create a recording. You can do it using your phone. You can upload a sound file, or you can use the text-to-speech tool where you type a message and it's played back in a computerized voice. By far, the most popular method is using a phone. You can either have us call you to record it, or you can call into us. For right here, you would just put a message name. That's just for your own information, so you know what the message is. And you put a phone number of any number that's nearby to you, cell phone, work phone, home phone, and it'll actually call you immediately and prompt you to record the message. Or you can use the phone-in system right here. This is where you dial into this toll-free number, you enter your account number, and you actually enter your PIN number, and you can just record it right through your phone. So there's different ways you can do it. For this method, just because time is of the essence, we're just going to use text-to-speech. So we're going to put rain out, and then you can pick which voice it'll be played back in, male or female. We'll pick male. We'll say you would just type your message there, hit generate message, and you'll see it's added to the account. This message right here tells you that your message is a little bit too short. Ideally, you want your message to be over 15 seconds. That's because of the answering machine detection. It needs a few minutes to kick in and detect if it's an actual live person or answering machine. So now that we have our recording and our contacts, we're going to go here, hit new broadcast. We're going to go to create call broadcast. These are some different options that we have. It's push to leave a message, push to opt out. These are all different things you can add to your call. We're going to go ahead and skip this for now. We're going to select the message that we want to send out. Again, it's telling us about the short recording warning. We're going to go next. And then from here, you check off the people that you want to send the message to. The easiest way could be here. If you go to all my contacts, click that. That'll send it to everybody. Hit next. From here, you can email it to your contacts if you have the email in the system. You can send it to your own phone number, which is the phone number on the caller ID. And right here is where you select the caller ID. So this is when you send the call out, this is what's going to show up. If you need to add a new caller ID, just hit that, and you can do it right there. Answering machine detection, 9 times out of 10, you're going to use this. If for some reason you don't want to use answering machine detection, you can check this. And then as soon as the phone connects, it's going to play your message, whether it's a live person or a recording. And then from here, you can schedule your broadcast immediately, or you can set it for a later time and date. You can just pick a date in the future. We're going to go ahead and send it now. So then you just hit next. It's going to take you to this confirmation page. You can listen to your recording again. It'll tell you how many people it's going to, how many credits you're going to use, any additional options. If everything looks good, you just hit this button here. Give it a second. It'll queue up into the system. And that's it. Your message just went out. It usually takes about a minute or so to get out there. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're at 800-928-2086. We're here 7 days a week to help you out. Thanks.